Welcome to the good life.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're back and we're hungry.
No, but we really are. Today, you guys, we're about to be doing the Chick-fil-A versus Popeyes chicken sandwich, and we're about to see what the hype is about.
So we only got one Chick-fil-A because we're broke, but...
Okay, she's broke. I'm just kidding. But we're just going to split that because we obviously know what the chicken
You
sandwich
guys,
tastes
look
like.
how great this looks. Oh,
It looks good.
I love pickles, bitch.
Okay.
Is your mouth watering?
So, I'm going to eat mine with the hot sauce.
I've never
Are you
had
ready?
Popeyes hot sauce.
Should
Is
we
it hot?
have this one first and
Yeah.
see?
Well, I feel like I've had, like, my boyfriend and I love Chick-fil-A, so, like...
There's no, you can't go wrong with Chick-fil-A.
Like, I already know what it tastes like. Like,
Oops.
if I were to have my eyes closed, I would already know it's Chick-fil-A.
Okay, you get the smaller piece. Here. Wait, I can't eat it without the Chick-fil-A sauce. ¿Te puedes esperar o what?
Have you ever had, like, a wet, soggy sandwich?
It's only been sitting there for 20 minutes.
Mm. Mm. Can we get a refund?
What are your thoughts on this sandwich?
Honestly, it's bomb.
Mm.
I love Chick-fil-A, but on to bigger and better things. Popeyes. You guys,
Okay, are you ready?
look how big and cheap and yummy this looks.
The bread looks good, the pickles.
Yeah, like everything about it.
Definitely the pickles on the Popeye sandwich are way thicker.
Mhm.
Okay, are you ready? I need some hot sauce on this.
I don't know how hot. Is it spicy?
Ew,
I don't want to be sharding everywhere.
please.
Here.
1, 2, 3, go. Do you see how crunchy that is?
Wow.
Mm.
Mm.
How do you feel? You guys, it's just so.
Oh my god.
Mhm.
You guys, this shit's fire.
Okay, my thoughts on the Popeyes. It's just bomb. The bread is actually toasted. Like, look, we bought these at the same time, and the Chick-fil-A one, the bread kind of got soggy. But this one, it's still like crisp, like nice and toasted. Pickles are definitely a lot thicker, really good. And the chicken, I mean, I feel like you can't compare the two just because this is just like a crispy
Like
chicken.
Chick-fil-A's
like,
chicken was like,
please don't touch my sandwich.
yeah, but it was kind of like,
Why is she having my chicken sandwich like that?
but like this one, like literally like, that's a whole ass chicken breast on there. Like it is crispy. I was gonna say crusty.
But what do you rate the sandwich?
Honestly, a 9.
Yeah, I would rate this a 9 too, but Chick-fil-A is just
Yeah,
bomb,
Chick-fil-A is
too.
always gonna be a 10 in my heart.
Okay, no, Chick-fil-A, I feel like you just can't compare the two just because
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A, like, I don't know, if you want a crispy ass chicken sandwich, definitely Popeyes. But, I mean, you can't go wrong with Chick-fil-A either. But if you guys have not tried the Popeyes chicken sandwich, definitely recommend it.
Yeah.
But it's not worth, like, fighting for, jumping through drive-through windows, crashing into Popeyes buildings. But it's definitely fire. It's up there.
Yeah, they're
Definitely
both really
crispy.
good. And for the sake of my dieta, I'm not eating no more.
Thank you.
You can have all the carbs.
Alright, you guys, so let me just take another bite.
Everybody look at her. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that bell button, that way you get notified every time we post a new video.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Like and comment, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Welcome to the good life.